Okay, wings are done for the 64 F-14. We got, there you go, spoilers, and then flaps, full span. There you go, both sides moving. Okay, I'll flip it over. Show here, I only got the two servos still. There we go. Yeah, well, we're just a mess right now, but we're gonna try this. There we go. So let's see here. So and flaps. So I'm using the existing flap servo and the existing aileron servo, and let's see here if we can get a better look. Kind of hard to get these things. There we go. Let's see here. That's what that looks like. So we'll try that out. Probably not this weekend, but next weekend.